Hey guys, so I'm very excited about our new volume tweezers that we've got in. Now don't be fooled by this really strange design like I was when we first got these in. I remember testing these and thinking these are really strange, and I've seen them before and they were brought in many years ago for isolating inner corner lashes, but actually these are fantastic volume tweezers if you get good ones, and we have managed to source really good ones. These guys are so balanced, they just feel lovely. Their precision is amazing. I am just blown away by these tweezers. They're actually one of my new favourites at the moment, other than the Dumonts. So guys, if you are looking for good and affordable volume tweezers, please come and give these ones a go and see how you get on, because I think you're going to be really impressed. And what I've got now is just a little video showing you of me picking up fans, so you can see how they work. And obviously all of them, what we said on the shop, are hand tested, so you know that you're going to get a good pair that works. Yes, some of them do fail and they go straight in the bin, but the ones that do pass my strict testing make it to the shop, so that you know that you can buy in confidence and get tweezers that do actually work. So yeah, please take a look at this video, and then I will post the link and head over to the shop, and obviously you can put in an order for them, and hopefully you will love them as much as I do.